Wetin dey happen o? My lawyer don reach court now. See wetin happen for court o.
Everybody knows that as at the last sitting of the court, the position is that all the pending applications, which include their motion for interlocutory injunction and our own motion too, to stop them from selling unlicensed, unregistered, and unapproved products, is slated for today for hearing. But unfortunately, we are in court today, and the counsel to the church failed to show up.
Case today have been pleaded for stand down. The subsistence counsel to the Christ Mercy Land, which is the second counter-claimant, is not in the court today.
My name is Samuel Ihensekin Jr., the counsel to Senior Prophet Jeremiah Omoto Fufunye. For personal reasons, I could not make it to the court promptly at that 9 o'clock.
As a business, my friend.
That's a lying business, my friend, at the altar of God.
But his soap is $1,000. 1.4 million for one soap.
It's a lying business, my friend. It's a lying business at the altar of God. How can a pastor lie? Because the Bible said, thou shalt not lie. Thou shalt not speak false witness against your neighbor. That pastor is a lying business at the altar of God. Are you hearing me? Yes, Papa. That is the answer I'm giving to you.
Have you heard the gist that Prophet Jeremiah ran away from court hearing today so that it should not look like I'm lying? Prophet Jeremiah and his legal team did not attend the court hearing about him and VDM in court.
That's a lying business, my friend, at the altar of God.
I said that is not a lying business. Let me tell you the truth. For those of you who always get the gist from my platform, you know a lot of people stand in solidarity with VDM after the court case between him and Jeremiah. When the Jeremiah saw the solid people that are behind VDM, he quickly have to forgive VDM. But VDM said, no, this court case, we go follow and we make a videos about it. And some people were saying, oh, it's hot news. Oh, it's recent news. Whatever it is, it's still a gist that is still currently going on. And I want you guys to get the full information right now, how the court case played out on the 6th of September. So, according to the information that we gathered so far, because I wanted to hear from the both party, from the Team VDM and Team Jeremiah, what happened and how the case went on. So remember, VDM and Jeremiah Omoto Fifin has a backlash, goes about the miracle soap, miracle water, miracle handkerchief, and stuff like that. So the whole thing have caused a great controversies in Nigeria space. Everybody is expecting Jeremiah to win VDM. Team VDM is expecting VDM to win Jeremiah in court. So they both went to court, and this is what happened in court. I want to gist you guys. On the day of the court hearing, and everybody is expected to hear from the both legal team, like objection, my lord, objection overruled. So VDM and his lawyer and his legal team and supporters were in court. Unfortunately, Jeremiah lawyer and Jeremiah and anybody did not come. This is serious. If I'm laughing, just know I'm serious. But if my excuse face, just know I'm laughing inside mind. Anyway, I want you guys to hear what the legal team of the VDM said about all of this and what they thought about the legal team of the Jeremiah Omoto Fifin and that of the Mercy Land did not show up in court hearing today. So we'll be right back to do some messages to the video.
Everybody knows that as at the last sitting of the court, the position is that all the pending applications, which include their motion for interlocutory injunction and our own motion too, to stop them from selling unlicensed, unregistered, and unapproved products, is slated for today for hearing. But unfortunately, we are in court today, and the counsel to the church, counsel to Prophet Jeremiah Omoto Fufunye, failed to show up. And he did not even send a letter to the court. The only representative of the court, of the church, informed the court that the counsel is out of town. One would think that a case of this magnitude, that everybody takes serious, including the parties and the counsel thereto, a lawyer will not show up. A big firm of path legal of Mr. Samuel Ihensekin, who has many counsel in his office, no representative came from that law office. And we consider it that a game of hide and seek has started, and we will not condone that. And that is why we asked the court to grant us a cost of 200,000 naira. But in the opinion of the court thought that this is the first time they are seeking an adjournment, and the court did not award the cost of 200,000 naira. And as we all know that this court is a court of a vacation court. So the vacation ends next week. So the presiding judge has now returned the case file to the chief judge for reassignment. So the Honorable Chief Justice of FCT we reassign the case file to another judge, another justice of this court, FCTI court, for hearing of all the pending applications and the substantive trial. So as of today, there's no definite date for coming back, but the case has gone back to the chief judge, who will now give it to a regular court that will hear the case from the beginning to the end. So we get another date from the judge where it may be assigned to. So that is the latest development. That is where we are. Thank you so very much.
Immediately after VDM saw this, that Jeremiah did not come, there were lots of controversies and all of that on social media. Everybody was saying that VDM said, I will never rest. I will take this case to the next level. Why will your legal team not come? Obviously that, obviously this. And he said, all right. And this is what he have to say to the Mercy Land City and that of the Prophet Jeremiah legal team and himself. We'll be right back.
Wetin dey happen o? My lawyer don reach court now. See wetin happen for court o. Dem don dey act as if na hide and seek. You understand? They are not taking the court serious, which doesn't make any sense. They are treating the case, they are doing the case as if it's a child's game, you know? And like my lawyer say, like an hide and seek. We cannot take that now. Don't say when they sue that 1 billion, if you say, guy man, go just dey, maybe I go dey shake, I go dey do get. Now, time for court don't reach now, no show. Una go show for that court o. Una go show. When I meant you all gonna learn, you people will learn. And also, NAFDAC Oga, I just take side till they watch you. I they watch you. You see this game where you won't play? I know the game pass you. You understand? The kind game on I won't play, on I won't look for way. It be like, no, make I use allegedly. I mean, it be like say, I am the English. I am suspecting that you people want to quickly go and arrange one kind NAFDAC and go and drop it and make it look as if, now, Mola, don't worry. I get the product now. It did with me. It did with me. When, whatever move you people are planning, I did ahead. I am 10 times ahead of you. You think me protesting in your gate, you think I don't know what I am doing? Mr. Freda and Beatrice, I am just watching you. All this game, I am familiar with this game. So, more than something they use also hide and seek. You people should come to court, please. Like I said, you're gonna learn, and you all will learn the hard way. Don't play. If like say you don't see vision, say in case no go favor you.
When I heard this, I said, okay, now VDM have spoken, his lawyer have spoken. Why is nobody speaking from that of the Mercy Land? What is going on? Why is everything? Until I came across the representative of the Mercy Land. So the person with the sent go court. So this is what he have to say about the lawyer who could not come. We'll be right back.
Pastor Santos Ume Alake. So I'm one of the church administrators representing the Christ Mercy Land Deliverance Ministry. So the case today have been pleaded for stand down because the subsistence council to the Christ Mercy Land, which is the second counterclaimant, is not in the court today because as of yesterday, he went out of Abuja to Asaba to save life because his attention was unavoidably needed because an operation to save life was asked for, and he is the only one that needed to be signed. Without that authority, that life might not be saved because he needs to sign authorize the operation. So that made it possible for him to move. So unavoidably, his presence is really needed. So, but because of the seriousness of this matter today and his full respect to the court, he is already on the way. He left Asaba today. He entered the flight. He's already from Abuja airport coming to this court. So because of that, I pleaded with his consent for court to stand down the matter, at least for over 30 minutes, because he's already very close to the court. Though the other counsel refused and claimed for a cost of 200,000, but the court, in their magnanimity and in their way of justice, knowing fully well his absence was to save life, dismissed that demand for 200,000, cancelled it in total, and no claim, no money, nothing should be paid for it. He didn't go based on his own business or any other thing, but he went because he went to save life. So the court stamped down the matter for minutes for him to be here. So all the proceedings and everything that's supposed to be for today is standing down, waiting for the arrival of the subsistence counsel of the second counterclaimant, the counsel to Prophet Jeremiah of the Mercy, Christ Mercy Land Deliverance Ministry.
You said everything is being stamped down for 30 minutes.
Yeah.
According to the judge, she said she will be, that's Justice Omoto, she said she will be reassigning the case, so she will pushing it up to the FCC.
Have been stand down for 30 minutes. According to the judge, the case been standing down for 30 minutes. After that, if he's not able to reach, then it should be reassigned. Because I pleaded for stamp down, so which is the judge consented, but he said within that 30 minutes, because it's almost the last case, so he cannot be sitting waiting. But if not, it will be reassigned for other judges, which the other counsel was pleading he objected to that stamp down, so that made the judge.
So after these guys gave his own 2 cents and addressed the press why he thought that their lawyer did not come, or what they thought must have played out. So before I even raise my voice to judge him, I say, how dare you? We give you time to prepare. Is your lawyer this, that? Unfortunately, the lawyer arrived, but after the court case have closed. So I want you guys to hear his excuses and the reason helicopter tumble and the flight crash, and he swim across every ocean to attend that court hearing. We'll be right back.
My name is Samuel Ihenseken Jr., the counsel to Senior Prophet Jeremiah Omoto Fufunye. Thank you very much. Yes, in respect of today's matter, quite incidentally, for personal reasons, I could not make it to the court promptly at that 9 o'clock. I was on transit on air, and for some medical reasons, I could not be able to attend the proceedings promptly as I ought to. And because of the sensitive nature of the matter, it's very important. I wrote to the court to bring it to the light of the court of the circumstances for a standard. But the court in its wisdom, the court is a court of wisdom, actually choose on the application of the counsel for Martin to say, otherwise known as Very Dark Man. On the application, he sorted for a cost of 200,000, giving the court very funny and very flimsy excuse. With all due respect to it, the court rejected that award of cost because I've been upright, and my character from the beginning of this matter has shown a lot of prudence and prompt prosecution. So the court declined that, and we should also understand that this is a matter that was originally assigned and set for the FCT High Court Vacation Court for the period of August to September. We're already in September. The courts are the vacation courts. I think they have less than 6 or 5 days. We have a lot of sundry application on our part and on the part of the defendant, Martin Sose, otherwise known as Very Dark Man. However, there's an interesting twist to this matter. The last date, I was served some court processes, which I've actually responded to, the light, and we discover a lot of discrepancy in the documents displayed, alleged, and relied upon by the defendants in this matter. So we are going to be having a trial inside a trial, in the sense is the purported receipts, which I'll make available to the press, that Mr. Martin Sose alleged to have used to buy the said spiritual items. We have discovered that those receipts, more particularly 1527 and the other one in the numbers, we have discovered that the receipt in question actually do not exist in any ramification. Is actually, from wherever he has got it from, the implication is that that receipt is altered and it is forged. I've made the receipt available for the press. The police have done an intensive investigation on the matter. The forensic report, I believe by now, should be out, and that we have bring before this court. We have filed it as a process and display the particular characters of that receipt so that the receipt is not just altered, it is forged. It is forged by the defendant in order to clothe him with the locus to sue in this matter. And two, he also lacks the jurisdiction to enforce any provisions of the NAFDAC Act on anybody whatsoever. He's not the Attorney General of the Federation. He has no vice. He has no competence within the meaning of the NAFDAC Act. So everything he's actually doing in this regard is a charade and is condemnable. Thank you.
Me personally, the only thing I have to say is that if this man were willing to be there, I don't see any reason we have to be traveling all the way from Kafashan or all the way from Jamaica to come to Abuja just to attend the court hearing. He ought to be there a day before to make himself available even as early as 6 if the court, let's say the court case is at 7, the lawyer ought to be there by 6 or 7. If the court case is at, let's say in the noon time, let's say around 2 o'clock, the lawyer have to be around by 12 so that he can get himself prepared. So, but unfortunately, it is what it is. The guy don't escape the first court hearing. I believe the court is adjourned to society date, and the only thing that is giving me interest in all of this, may Vidian Kukuma yours first. Shebi Jeremiah said he forgive him. He don't want to proceed with the court case again. But VDM say lie, he go proceed. Well, I don't know why VDM is taking this personally. Maybe because he saw that the way the Christianity in Nigeria, the way they are running it is not pleasant with it. But he should leave it for the Christians because he said he's not a Christian, he's not a Muslim, he's just a neutral atheist. But on the other hand, the Christians are well satisfied with the ministry are being run in Africa, in Nigeria. It is only those that are atheists that are complaining on behalf of the Christian. That is where my own ends, my angle. If the people they are brainwashing, they are canvassing, they are twisting their mind, they are, either brainwash, eyewash, or tongue wash them. If they are well satisfied, I don't see any reason you that is not going to the church should be crying for them. Shebi una not they pay tithes, una not they pay offering. Me not leave the people where they pray. Me not leave the people when they pay all the tithe and offering, the people that are spending on their life in the crusade. That is just my point too. I'm saying this particular west to west because of my brother who always watch and call. He will say, my brother is a minister, will say, how dare you say this? Why will you say that? It is like you're rebelling against the Christian kingdom. You don't speak as if you are a Christian. I'm a Christian. I'm always reporting or analyzing the gist as I see on social media. If for example, now I come online and be saying that, okay, now Jeremiah not go court, and this is the reason not go court, I can't say, no, Jeremiah was sick. That is why he did not go to court. I'm only trying to suit the hearing of the people. But I've lied. Shebi God said that shall not lie. But if I say it as it is, people hear the verse for me. Oh, you, that is a Christian. How will you say that? Man, anyway, Jeremiah still continue his good work. After all of this, have you heard that he called Brother Mike, that's Facebook blogger. He called him and gave him his spiritual soap. And Brother Mike was so excited. Oh, this is the spiritual soap that is causing chaos. They don't know the power behind the spiritual soap. I want you guys to watch the video. We'll be right back.
And I have the soap. The soap that is causing wahala problem. The soap that is causing problem on social media.
Give me another one.
And I have the soap.
Maybe I give to the king of Dubai.
I'm not the honorable to see powers. And I have the soap. Yes.
14 powers.
It's not 28 powers. You the soap have your power on you.
The soap.
Only the soap. Yes. Congratulations to Mother. The first blogger that have the soap.
Give me soap. You don't understand it? Understand where is the soap? Make I give you. The King of United Emirates.
Oversight of the prophets, prophet of the prophets. Oversight in the money in there. Everybody. You too much. It does that. The problem is that you can never be a poor prophet because it is written that I have blessed my children to go and multiply and to be great and the biggest. So who you become only billionaire? Someone will be billionaire.
We shall be billionaires.
Papa, this soap is like a soap with a hand and punch soap, and the mouth that has spoken about soap, and the mouth that spoke what was of that mouth. He said that I have put in a word of your mouth. And that person is holy Jeremiah that Bible says that God has put in a word into your mouth.
Love you.
Now I tell you, the soap is ordinary soap. But what I used to back it up, go and use it. God of Jeremiah will give you, show you a miracle. Let God present to your life in Jesus' name. That's soap. Today, I have enough to tell you about the soul on Monday. If you share, you never walk. Yes? If you see anybody don't use the soap, that one is condemned. Yes, Papa. Si vous partagez avec quelqu'un, c'est déjà condamné. Papa, are you present? How many times will we use the soap? For 1 week? 3 times. You use it 3 times. 3 times. 3 nights. The time that you want to use 3 nights and wash up for 2 weeks. When you are using it, you must pray. You must cry to God with pens. All these items with pens. God, this is what I want. That's what I should say. Yes.
Daddy, please, I want to ask on behalf of the ladies. If you are seeing your monthly flow, can you use the soap?
Your what?
As ladies, I'm speaking on behalf of the ladies. If you are on your monthly flow, can you use that soap?
Let your action not disturb you. This is a spiritual item. That thing I said, go and use it as I said it. Your prayer has to be the use. 3 nights. 3 nights. I will tell you about the time that when you use the time of the flow and that flow and time of meeting with woman on Monday nights about the perfume. Watch out. Yes.
Immediately after Brother Mike, after this video went viral, people were tweeting, people were commenting, people were blogging. Oh, Brother Mike, you are neither here or there. Blah, 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 blah. Everybody were just, you know. If you don't want to miss this gist and how it ended, please subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you wouldn't miss out anytime we update you guys on how this. Should I tell you guys, say, as the follow up back to back to this very. I think we are in part 5 now. So if you don't know how this case reached here, you can still go to our platform. There are a lot of videos we have made about this story on how VDM were accused and how VDM also accused Prophet Jeremiah about his spiritual soap, about NAFDAC, and how the court hearing about 1 billion suits and how he forgive him. A lot of episode is there for you to watch. To this very moment now that Jeremiah could not meet up to the court case, his lawyer and his legal team could not also attend the court case. We don't really know the reason except the reason they gave that Lakota tumble and the flights passed through the ocean and the ship could not have wings to fly and land them on time. So we're going to end this video here. If you have not subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting for. I don't know what I do to you. Now beg, I beg. Eh? What if I decide to starve myself? I say until I get to 100,000 subscribers, I will not eat. Do you guys think that I will be alive? If you people want to show me love, I know definitely people. If I say no food till I get to 100,000, I know all of you want to quickly subscribe. I know you guys love me. I love you guys too. And God continue to bless you for your great work and your support towards this channel. I really appreciate you guys that are watching my video from start to finish. And for all of you that are commenting, without you, there is no me. I like you guys for liking this video, for always sharing my videos to all your media platform. I really appreciate you for your great support. We are almost there, guys. It is just few. It's not, I think it's not even up to 2,000 for we to get to 100,000. Guys, we are already there. Just make it happen so that I can present that YouTube award to you guys. You make it happen. This is not me. My own are just to make videos. You can even decide not to watch, not to subscribe, but you guys are making me happy, and thank you guys for your love. Until we meet again, stay tuned, Plan B TV. Peace out.